Hi, Joyce back today. So, welcome to Bright Pinay AI. So, this time, ngayon, gumawa ako ng dental clinic AI assistant for a Facebook page. So, ang ginagawa na ito, all the inquiries from a Facebook page, yung AI agent na yung nag-answer sa mga inquiries. All its answers are based on this document. So, para siyang knowledge base. From greetings to sending the details na fill upan ng user is nandito na. And tignan natin kung paano siya nag-work. So, ito yung for example, dental clinic na may message mo. Then, for example, gusto mong alamin yung services. What are the services available? Then, just wait for a second. Ayan. So, yung AI agent natin nag-reply based dito sa knowledge base niya dito. So, sabi niya, we offer teeth cleaning, tooth extraction, dental fillings, yan, lahat. Which is, nandito yan. Which is ito. Lahat yan. So, ayan. So, for example, gusto man nating, mag-book na. So, I want to book an appointment. Which service would you like to know more about? So, I want to book an appointment. Then, just a sec. So, great. I'd be happy to help you book an appointment. So, let's just say this is our informations. Then, let's just send it. Then, wait again for a second. Then, ayan. So, the AA agent responded with we've received your appointment request and our staff will check the schedule and confirm your appointment shortly. Ayan. So, anong may tutulong nito sa businesses? So, using this workflow, hindi na kinakailangan ng staff to manually chat the inquiries from your Facebook page. So, yung AI agent na yung bahalang mag-answer lahat ng inquiries based dito. So, kung gusto mong dagdagan to, i-modify all based dun sa dental clinic ninyo, all the locations, the clinic schedule, then yung AI agent mag-base din lang din naman dito. Lahat ng isasagot niya is naka-base dito. So, ayun. Gamit to, hindi mababawasan yung time sa pag-answer ng mga inquiries and you can focus on other stuff sa clinic. Important stuff sa clinic. So, ayan.